just wanna explain the things that happen in this world. And now you know. In fact, reality. Guys. Ladies. Yo. Listen, I'm talking. You gotta give me a minute. Yo. Let me just talk. Just a little bit. Now let's go.
Yo, everybody we live in this world and it's run like a ball. People feel like it's nothing. By the time goes down, you think I'm crazy. You just lazy. Please just hear what I'm saying. Don't you understand the consequences? Opportunity comes once. Don't just try to keep on erasing. Try to stop. Take. Please don't tell me. Don't you hear what's going around the world? Cold-blooded killing people. Corona killing people. Now listen, I was just 80 and I'm living in this nation where we're like a spilling in a plane of Nagatari. They call him fucking Penati. He's the motherfucking killer, stealer, ripper, side by side, a back and forth. Oh no, don't stop. Oh. Please, it's time to change. It's time to change. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Ayo, nah. Cause opportunity comes once. It's time to change. It's time to change. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Cause opportunity comes once. You know. With the day bus and the night comes, I always begging for love, praying for love, hoping that one fine day people will make a changes in their lives. Be nice, don't go behind the ball. There's only one guy who tried to destroy from us, steal from us. You gotta be careful, don't put yourself behind the dark. You pack kissing back a rap. In my country name PNG, things be like community problems, family problems, things be like things, not just like before. I know, people place try to think this world comes to an end. Now waste the time before you comes to the hand. Effect, and now, effect. Cause opportunity comes once. It's time to change. It's time to change. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Ayo, nah. Cause opportunity comes once. It's time to change. It's time to change. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Cause opportunity comes once.